Hey there, future creators. Are you ready to take on 2025 with some fresh and exciting YouTube channel ideas? We're talking about the kind of ideas that could blow up, the kind of ideas that get you millions of subscribers, the kind of ideas that make you say, I'm rich. Okay, maybe not that last one, but you get the point. In today's video, we're diving deep like deep sea diving for treasure chest deep into the hottest trends that are going to be huge on YouTube this year. Whether you're brand new to the YouTube game or you've been around the block a few times and you're looking to spice things up, I've got your back. We're about to unleash some seriously unique channel ideas that'll make your content pop off the screen like it's jumping out and doing a victory dance. So buckle up, smash that like button like it owes you money, and get ready to take some notes because things are about to get wild. Alright, trend number 1 is all about saving the planet, one YouTube video at a time. That's right, we're talking about sustainable lifestyle and eco-friendly content. This isn't just some passing fad, guys. The world is waking up, and people are realizing that taking care of our planet is about as important as it gets. And the best part? There's a whole audience out there starving for information, tips, and tricks on how to live a greener life. Think about it. Minimalism, sustainable fashion, zero-waste living, eco-friendly hacks. These are all topics that people are searching for right now. And who better to teach them than you? You could be the one showing people how to turn their trash into treasure, how to rock a wardrobe that's both stylish and sustainable, or how to live a life that's kind to both the planet and their wallets. Imagine the impact you could have. Millions of people watching your videos, getting inspired to make a difference, and changing their habits for the better. You'd be like the superhero of sustainability, swooping in with your channel and saving the day with every upload. Plus, let's be real, who doesn't love a good DIY project? Show people how to build their own compost bins, make their own cleaning products, or even grow their own food. And the best part is, this niche has serious staying power. The demand for eco-friendly living is only going to grow in the future, which means your channel has the potential to grow right along with it. So what are you waiting for? Grab your reusable water bottle, put on your thinking cap, and let's brainstorm some awesome sustainable content ideas. Hold on to your hats, folks, because trend number 2 is straight out of the future. We're talking about AI and technology, but not the complicated, jargon-filled stuff that makes your head spin. I'm talking about AI simplified for beginners, for everyday people who want to understand this game-changing technology. Listen up, AI is everywhere. It's in our phones, our homes, our cars. It's even writing parts of this script right now. Just kidding. Or am I? But seriously, a lot of people are intimidated by technology. They see all these complicated terms and think, this isn't for me. That's where you come in. Your channel could be the bridge between the complex world of AI and the everyday user. Imagine breaking down complex topics like machine learning, natural language processing, and predictive analytics into bite-sized, easy-to-understand videos. You could do tutorials on how to use AI for creative work, like writing a song or designing a logo. You could create guides on AI productivity tools that help people get more done in less time. You could even review AI-powered gadgets for home and lifestyle, showing people how this technology can make their lives easier and more enjoyable. Think about it. You could be the go-to channel for anyone who wants to learn about AI without getting bogged down by technical jargon. You could empower people to embrace this technology and use it to their advantage. And let's be real, who doesn't want to be the one who helps their grandma start using AI to organize her photo albums or helps their little brother create his own video game? This niche is only going to get bigger and bigger as AI becomes even more integrated into our lives. So if you're looking for a future-proof channel idea with massive growth potential, look no further than AI simplified for beginners. Trust me, this is one trend you don't want to miss out on. Alright, let's shift gears for a second and talk about something super important: mental health. In a world that's constantly switched on and moving at a million miles an hour, people are craving peace, tranquility, and a little bit of inner zen. And that's where your YouTube channel comes in. Mindfulness, meditation, and mental wellness content are absolutely exploding right now. And it's not just a fad. People are realizing that taking care of their minds is just as important as taking care of their bodies. And the best part is, you don't need to be a Zen master or a meditation guru to create awesome content in this niche. Imagine guiding people through calming yoga routines, leading them through guided meditations, or even just having open and honest conversations about mental health topics like managing stress, dealing with anxiety, or overcoming negative thoughts. You could share your own personal experiences, interview experts in the field, or even create animated explainer videos that break down complex concepts in a fun and engaging way. Think about the impact you could have. You could help people find moments of peace in their chaotic lives, teach them valuable coping mechanisms for dealing with stress, and even provide a supportive community where they feel comfortable talking about their mental health. You could be a beacon of hope, a source of calm, and a guiding light for anyone struggling to find their inner peace. And the beauty of this niche is that it's so versatile. You can tailor your content to specific audiences like mindfulness for students, meditation for busy professionals, or even yoga for seniors. The possibilities are endless, so if you're passionate about mental health and you want to make a real difference in the world, this is the perfect niche for you. Alright, all you travel junkies and adventure seekers, this next trend is for you. Get ready to pack your virtual bags because we're about to embark on a journey into the future of travel vlogging. Forget those shaky handheld camera shots and boring montages. In 2025, it's all about immersive experiences that transport your viewers to another world. Imagine this. You're exploring the ancient ruins of Machu Picchu, but instead of just watching a regular video, your viewers are right there with you, experiencing the breathtaking views and feeling the weight of history all around them. How is that possible? 2 words: AI and VR. With AI-powered cameras and editing software, you can create stunning 360-degree videos that make people feel like they're actually there. Imagine soaring over the Swiss Alps in a hot air balloon, diving into the Great Barrier Reef to swim with sharks, or trekking through the Amazon rainforest, all from the comfort of their own homes. But it gets even cooler. With VR technology, you can take immersive travel vlogs to a whole new level. Imagine creating virtual tours of famous landmarks, museums, and historical sites complete with interactive elements and behind-the-scenes information. Your viewers could walk through the Louvre Museum, explore the Colosseum in ancient Rome, or even climb Mount Everest, all without leaving their living rooms. This is the future of travel vlogging, and it's a trend that's only going to get bigger and more mind-blowing as technology continues to advance. So grab your VR headset, pack your virtual bags, and get ready to take your viewers on an unforgettable adventure. Alright, let's get crafty. DIY content has always been a hit on YouTube, but in 2025 it's all about going niche, hyper niche, super duper niche. Forget those generic 5 DIY projects for your bedroom videos. It's time to dive deep into the world of micro-niche crafting and become a true master of your craft. Think about it. Instead of making videos about general DIY projects, what if you focused on a very specific type of craft, like really specific? Resin art, for example. Imagine creating mesmerizing videos of colorful resin pours, teaching people how to make their own jewelry, coasters, or even furniture with this versatile material. Or how about 3D printing? This technology is becoming more and more accessible, and people are using it to create some seriously amazing things. You could create tutorials on how to design and print your own custom phone cases, action figures, or even prosthetic limbs. And then there's the world of upcycling, where you take old, unwanted items and give them a new lease on life. Imagine transforming old tech gadgets into unique art pieces, turning vintage clothing into stylish new outfits, or even creating furniture out of reclaimed wood. The beauty of micro-niche crafting is that it allows you to connect with a passionate and engaged audience. These are people who are obsessed with their hobbies and are always looking for new techniques, inspiration, and connections with other like-minded individuals. So, what's your crafting superpower? What unique skills and passions can you share with the world? Find your niche, dive deep, and get ready to become the ultimate crafting guru. Alright, let's get physical. The fitness world is always evolving, and in 2025 it's all about inclusivity, body positivity, and making fitness accessible to everyone, regardless of their shape, size, age, or ability. Forget those cookie-cutter workout videos that all feature the same body type. It's time to celebrate diversity and create a space where everyone feels welcome and empowered to embrace a healthy lifestyle. Imagine creating a channel that offers a wide range of workouts for all levels, from beginner-friendly routines to more challenging exercises. But here's the key: showcase a diverse group of people in your videos. Feature people of different body types, ages, ethnicities, and abilities. Think about it. You could create workouts specifically designed for seniors, adaptive exercises for people with disabilities, or even prenatal and postnatal fitness routines for new moms. And don't forget about the importance of body positivity. Encourage your viewers to love and appreciate their bodies at every stage of their fitness journey. Promote self-acceptance, celebrate progress over perfection, and create a supportive community where everyone feels comfortable and confident in their own skin. The fitness world needs more channels like this, channels that champion inclusivity and make healthy living accessible to everyone. So grab your dumbbells, put on your most supportive sneakers, and let's get ready to break a sweat and break down barriers. Boom! Those are the top YouTube channel ideas for 2025. I'm talking about trends so hot, they're practically on fire. But the real question is, which one of these awesome niches is calling your name? Let me know in the comments down below which idea got your creative juices flowing. And hey, if you've got any other mind-blowing channel ideas up your sleeve, drop those in the comments too. We're all about sharing the knowledge and building each other up in this community. If you're ready to take the leap and become the next YouTube sensation, smash that like button like it's the record for most liked video ever. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on another epic video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next.